Hey, crypto family. Hope y'all are doing good wherever you're at. So it's good to see we had a nice little bounce today from that crash that we had last night. Bitcoin's above $50,000 again, which is great to see. It's at 50,261. Ethereum's back up over 1,600 to 1,634. And then the rest of the altcoins are recovering a little bit back into those single digits, some even into the green. I'm going to our watch list for some bullish coins that I'm looking at. Again, I mentioned Sol. I've been harping on that coin for a while now. It's up 15% to $16. Serum is up 10% to $7. And then Radium is actually taking a little dip today, down 20% to about $10. But remember, I recommended that coin only 2 days ago, and that thing's whenever it was $6, and it's already up over 50% from that. So some good gains with that. And then FIDA here is down only 1% to $1.59. And then FTT is down 8% to 29.43. But again, a lot of these coins are recovering. Solana and Serum are doing great for our portfolio. So again, those DeFi coins are super good to have and ones that I think are going to go very far in the future. Now, going into some technical analysis. So I mentioned my new indicator, Synergy. And you can see here on the 8-hour, this is very good for sell signals. It flashed a sell signal alarm right at the very top before the drop. So that's insane. It caught the very top, and then you got all this move down. And then if you go ahead and switch to the 3-hour, you can actually see that it flashed a buy signal. 3 hour is good for buy signals, mainly this rocket here. And it flashed this rocket signal and it would have got you in on this next candle at 46,800. So it would have captured over $3,000 move. And it's really good to combine with the MFI Pro. MFI Pro is by CryptoScripts. The Synergy one, this one isn't on TradingView. You got to DM me either on Twitter or Discord, and then I will tell you basically the pricing for it. And I'm willing to be flexible with the pricing. But again, this indicator I've worked a while on with a friend. And again, I really want this one to stick pretty close to that pricing. But again, let me know and I will work with you there. But with that, you can see here that it is gone up. And right now we're hovering around that $50,000 level. So let's go ahead and do some quick TA here to see where we're going. So real quick here, so we have this resistance level here. It's going to be about $51,000. And then, of course, we have this huge support level here at around that $46,000 level. So right here, this is our range. If we do break this, then again, the big thing I'm looking for here is going to be around this next level of 54,400. So this is the big thing right now, just trying to break this 51,000 level. And then from there, looking at that 54,500 after that. And then if it does break down even more from where it's currently at, then again, looking at this 46,400 and then breaking down to this 44,300. So big levels I'm looking out for here, watching this range very closely, and then placing my buy and sell orders accordingly. Now looking at Ethereum here. So Ethereum on the 8-hour, again, this one flashed the sell signal on the 8-hour right at the top of Ethereum here at nearly $2,000. MFI was a little overextended, but not quite at the top. But this indicator alone on the 8-hour I mentioned is really good for sell signals. And then if you would have been on the 3-hour for the Synergy indicator here, this rocket would actually got you in, really good on this reversal here. It would have got you in at a price of $15.30. So $15.30, right it up over $100. And again, the MFI Pro was flashing green. It was very, very overextended to the downside. So that was a double confirmation there to take that and buy that signal. Now looking for some support resistance for Ethereum right now. So really looking at this level here around this 1725 level. If it can break that, then looking more so around this 1840 level. These are very important. And then if it does break that, then the next levels here looking at are around this 1917 level. And then again, finally that 2000 level. So some big levels right here is right here, right? So where it had the big bounce here and where, a little resistance there, it was 1450. So this is a big level. If it does break this, then again, expecting a lot more downside. And then really, from there, and then again, it doesn't look pretty from there. You're possibly looking at about right there, and then it's at about that 1280 level. So if you're thinking of placing buy orders, highly recommend these levels, or sell orders, maybe taking half profit along the way. But again, right now on this 3-hour, starting to get a little overextended here. And then again, looking at that 8-hour, it is very close actually to possibly clipping back to the upside. Money flows in the green, VWAP starting to cross over. So again, a lot of good indications here for a potential reversal to further extend this area. But let's go over those DeFi coins I was talking about that I'm very bullish on. So Serum, Looking at Serum here, big resistance levels here. So looking at this $7 level, this is a very big resistance. As you can see, it's went above that a couple times, couldn't break that. So this is where I'll be looking at here very closely. You can see it's in this channel right here. So if it does drop from here, looking for it to hold this level at around 650. If it breaks that, then looking at the next level of $6. And then from there, looking at 515. So some good buy levels if you're waiting for a pullback on Serum, and ones I definitely recommend. But again, not financial advice. And then Solana, looking at that. So we have our support level right now. It's set at 1430. So 1430, it's been in this channel here. But again, it's an ascending wedge. So potentially it could break down and actually even fall from 1436 all the way down to 1150. So keep that in mind on Solana. But again, if we do bounce up, looking for it to break this trend line. So hopefully it can get above this 1650 level. And then we're looking sky high from there. But really, I'm looking at these big support of 1430, seeing if we can hold this. If not, I can definitely see us flashing to at least $13 here, and then if not, going down to 1150. And then going to FIDA token, so Bun FIDA. Right now, it's at resistance. It was at $1.62. Now it's above that. So again, this big trend line here, looking for it to break this 167 level, and then finally at this top wick here at $1.74. And then right now the support is sitting at $1.62. If it breaks that, looking for it to hold this trend line at $1.54. If it breaks that, then easily looking for this level here at $1.33. So some good buy levels there if you're waiting for a pullback on that. Finally, looking at Ray, again, not too much on Radium because it just came out the other day, but drew this trend line here and then drew some support resistance levels. So right now the big resistance is going to be this $10.50 level. If it can break that, then we're looking more at 1270, and then from there pretty much following this trend line to about 1450 there. So those are big levels here. So again, 1050, then breaking that, going to 1270, and then finally 1450 from there. But if we can break all those, again, we're sky high. I do think this coin can go up to $30 at least. It's got a very low market cap, and I think it's only circulating supply of 12 million coins, so it can definitely skyrocket. It's big in the DeFi space. But with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment if you have any questions. Again, you want to contact me about Synergy here, Syndicator, talk to me on Twitter or on Discord. I will respond ASAP. You can also contact me on TradingView. And then if you have any other comments, leave them in the YouTube comments below. And until next time, thanks for watching.